Hello, let's try to understand the banking products available and address the questions what can I recommend or sell? Great question, right? Let's start by listing the main options available for financial products in the market. A saving account allows you to earn interest generally between 7 to 8% and are used for short-term savings and also great for emergencies. A current account is generally used by the businessmen. Now, why? In order to earn the salary, in order to pay the bills. But here is the twist, they don't give you any interest. An investment account is used for investing in mutual funds, stock, bonds, and are aimed for long-term growth. Suppose you don't have money right now, but you don't have to worry. Why? Because you can borrow money using the credit card and you can pay it later on monthly basis in order to avoid the interest. If you forget, then you have to pay the interest. Suppose you want coverage against the financial loss. It can be for anything, for your car, for your bike, for your home. You opt then for insurance. Borrowing money from the financial institution or any other institution with the agreement that we will pay it later. This thing is known as loan. If I have to tell you what is EMI card in the simplest way, then it is something that helps you to buy anything and then you can pay it on installments. Products or services that helps you to check your credit worthiness or better known as credit score. Here we have two axes. The vertical line y-axis shows money, so higher up means more money. Horizontal line shows how hard something is or how complex something is. Further to the right means it is harder. For example, selling credit card is harder but brings more money than selling saving accounts. To make more money, you need to find customers with good credit score and salaries, even though it is harder. As you can see, the easiest product to start with are saving accounts, credit score checks, bike insurance, and investment accounts. These products are ideal for understanding how sales works and earning your first money. The most lucrative categories are credit cards and loans. These categories require careful consideration of how well the user fits the criteria. We will delve into the topic in the upcoming videos. For the current account and selling car insurance, they are currently not as many partner offers available in the market. So we would recommend starting with the previous categories of the product.